Welcome to this quick ETE tutor video for Edexcel GCSE English Literature students. So in this video it's just an opportunity to refresh your memory about what the exam paper actually looks like and just go over a few of those essential details. So we have got Shakespeare post 1914. So for your Shakespeare you may be doing Macbeth, The Tempest, Romeo and Juliet, Much Ado About Nothing, Twelfth Night or The Merchant of Venice. And then for post 1914 we actually had a choice between a play and a novel. So it could be that you're doing An Inspector Calls, Hobson's Choice, Blood Brothers, Journey's End, Animal Farm, Lord of the Flies, Anita and Me or The Woman in Black. So obviously you answer the questions about the ones that you've studied. The amount of time people just decide to randomly write about a text they haven't studied, which as you can imagine doesn't lead to the best of results. So yeah, do what you're supposed to be doing. Make sure you've got that black pen as ever, but then most importantly you want to pay attention to this rubric, the instructions, and realise that you've got 55 minutes for section A, so that's your Shakespeare, and you've got your 50 minutes for section B, so that post 1914. There's space provided for you. It's designed so you have the right amount of space. You shouldn't need more than this space if you have average handwriting, average size handwriting. So try to use the space available and make sure you just indicate which of the questions you are doing. And then you can see, if we scroll down, so there was all our space for a Shakespeare answer. So some lovely quotes from Macbeth and some nice critical analysis here. And then again, just indicating which question it is you're doing for your post 1914. And as before, you will see at the end that we get the number of marks available for this question. And we also get the total marks for the paper. In other videos, we'll break these down, we'll look at specific questions, but like I said, this is just to kind of refresh your memory of what it's going to be like on the big day. So you'll have that section where you'll have that paper where you've got the space to write your answers, and then you'll also have the questions and extracts booklet. So when you sit down, make sure you've got these things, the resources that you need. You don't want to be wasting time putting your hand up if the exam's already started. And then you can see here that what we've got, section A, section B, and all of the extracts for section A and the questions, and then the questions for section B. So let's just have a very quick look. So we start off with the Macbeth section, one of my favourites. So we've got 55 minutes again, we're being reminded, and then to divide the time equally. So you'll get your extract. They won't be longer than this, so it's this amount of text that you'll be expected to study, to analyse. And then you get your part A, part B, and the number of marks for each question. So once you've done that for whatever Shakespeare you're doing, you can go on to have a look at your Animal Farm. Sorry, we'll use the Animal Farm example, so you can have a look. Oh. Here we can see we've got Blood Brothers, Journey's End, and then my favourite, Animal Farm. So here, this time, you only do one answer and you have to pick between the two. So you want to do that really quickly. Both of the questions will have a quotation and it's exactly the same layout, and it tells you again your marks, but this time remember you are being assessed on AO4 as well, so the vocabulary, sentences, spelling, punctuation, so making sure that everything's accurate there. So this time you will need a little bit of breathing space, a couple of minutes for a proofread, just to make sure that you don't lose any of those 8 marks. There's quite a lot there, so you want to make sure you do as well as possible. Alright then, I really hope that's helped and it's just jogged your memory about what you've got coming up. hopefully you found some of the other videos on my channel helpful too. I'm going to try and do videos for all of the different texts that you're studying, so we can make sure that you've got everything you need for your Shakespeare and your post-1914 literature. Okay, thanks as always for watching. Please use the comment section if there's anything else you feel that you need, and as always, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.